Hello. All right, we're live. Audio seems to be working. Mhm. Right, we got Webflow. Mm. I wanted to put some background music this time. Mm. Hello. Hello. Mm. Okay, I think it's working. Okay. Let's put a post. Make sure, see if a few more people come through. Hmm. Oh, the music stopped. There we go. Hello. Just waiting with my cat. Just waiting for a few more people to come through. Right. Mm. I think the size is correct and everything. Yeah. All right. So last time we had these thumbnails. Let me check out the live. So we should be able to create new thumbnails. No? Oh, sorry, Kiwi. Can I read part of some? Oh, what did we change? That's not our problem. Why is that not working? Wait, did I forget to add the code here? Oh, wow. Okay, then we gotta write that little bit again. Okay. think it might make sense to use Slater here, just to speed up. What do I need those? No. I think I'll get rid of these. Let's do Slater. Just don't wanna leak any client sites. Could be not supposed to be shown. I think we can go back. So let's launch this again. All right, we got Slater. I don't really need the AI, I just need the code. We have home.js, that's good enough. Is this already connected or do I have to connect? I think I have to. Okay, let's do this. I do have GSAP here. I don't know if I need it, but I'll keep it for now. I don't need this though. All right. Let's see if I can find the code from last time. Should be here, the history. Oh yeah, that's it, I think. Let's try. Yeah, there we go. That's nice. All right, we didn't lose that much. We didn't lose any progress. That's good. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to paste that code here for a start. This code. I wonder if we can fit everything into one screen. Can I do this? It's too small. All right, not ideal, but we can kind of work with this. All right, what's the minimum? Can go at least 900. Okay. I guess we'll try to work with this. So I just need to publish. All right, now we will be able to test a bit faster. Okay, let me make sure this is working. That is not working. Loaded app.js. There is no app.js. Why is this not working? Webflow pages. Wait, what? Okay, that doesn't seem to work. I guess let's do it manually. All right, publish again. Maybe I'll put my screen like up here. My camera, sorry. Okay. All right, now we're working. Let's go. Cool. All right, so last time we had some sample code. So this is the new slide. This is the sidebar. New slide button is the plus. It's this here. When we have a function called initialize slide, which takes a slide, it adds the click listener to it. When you click it, it removes the previous active class. It adds the new active class to the current one that we initialize by initializing the first slide that already exists by default. A new slide button. Whenever you click it, we create a new slide. Cool. Pretty straightforward so far. All right, so the plan is we should be able to click on this icon over here, the image. And when we click it, it should prompt us to upload an image. And then when we upload this image, it should be saved in local storage and I guess display the image, and then also display the image in here. And later on, we will look for like ways to turn the image into a WebP, compress it, make sure that like you can, because there is a limit to the size of the images we can put into local storage. So we're gonna be compressing them later on. For now, we just want the basic stuff of being able to click here, add an image, show the image here, and then hopefully we will be able to also encode the URL, the image into the URL. Sorry, encode it into the URL so that you can basically encode all the data into the URL and send it as a link to someone. But that someone will only be able to view the project and not edit it. That is what I'm hoping to do here. All right, so we have the new button. So I guess let's start by selecting this button over here. Trying to see if we have like an ID. We have no ID. Okay, let's use an ID. It should be upload image. Let's open this again. Const. Let's do it down here. Let's do tools. Const upload button equals query selector upload image. Okay, I'll do upload button dot add event listener. Click. Okay, so in order to upload an image, we cannot directly do that, unfortunately. So we actually need to have a hidden element in here. Thinking where I should put that hidden element. Maybe I'll just put it here. Not a div block actually. Custom element. Let's do there's an input. We'll do type forget what the exact type name is. Like, let's do HTML input file type. Oh, it's just file. Okay, so file here, and there's a way to make sure we only allow images. Let me see, accept. So accept, and I believe it's image/star. This allows a bunch of documents. Yeah, image star. Cool. All right, so we have this input. Oh, you can already see it here. Nice. So we have this input over here, but this will be hidden. Right. Let's give this an ID as well. ID. Hidden. File. Upload. All right, let's open Slater again. I wonder how they did this, actually. Because normally Webflow apps are only allowed to have 3 sizes. And I don't remember this being one of them. But anyway. Let's also do, guess I can copy this. Upload input. Yeah. Can do, click. We just make sure this part is working. Refresh, click. Okay, that's not how it works. Let me see. I had a little demo yesterday. Yeah, this should have worked actually. Upload inputs, click. Let me check my console. We do have an error, okay. Did I not publish? I didn't publish. Okay, that makes sense. Let's do this console. Okay, refresh again. Can get rid of those. All right, now we click. Yeah, I can upload. Cool. We're not gonna see anything yet, but we're gonna get there. All right. So now what we need to do is grab this input. We're gonna listen for changes on this input. So we can add an event listener, call it change. All right. Gonna need this event here. We're gonna do equals event target files. Let me console log this just to make sure we are getting this correctly. Okay, so fresh. Click here, let me upload this. We're not getting anything. Oh, I didn't console log it. Of course. So it's a bit hard to type while my cat sleeps next to my hand. Okay, save, refresh, click, open, there you go. So we get a file list of all the files that are uploaded. In this case, it's just one, but we always get a list anyway. So we get the name, we get the size, we get the image, the type. Cool. All right, that works. So we're gonna get the first one, and yeah, we have the file. And then we have to get the raw data of this image. So to get the first image, we can use a square bracket 0. You just get the first item in the array. Let's make sure we also do have an image. So we do if there's no file, we'll just return. So we do an early return to avoid the rest of the code running without there being an image. Then we have to do something, if I'm not mistaken, with the file reader. Let's start, yeah, web API is cool. So we have to use this API to read the file. Objects may be obtained from the file list. Cool. Is there an example? Returns are new. Okay, so it's a class. Let's do JS. Yes, that works. Okay. I don't think this is what we need. Okay. Let me check my example from last time. Hey Reyes, I just saw your chat, your message. I don't know when you sent it, but hello, welcome here. Thanks for coming. Let me get my pad out of the way. I also forgot to open the Twitch chat, just in case. Cool. Okay, so we can upload an image now. We can read it, or we know that it exists. We need a way to read it. So we're gonna create a new reader. Const as to reader equals new file reader. Right, and then you do reader dot onload. No, let's do reader read as data URL. So this is a method that we can use to get the file as data URL. So we're gonna just get a huge piece of text that represents the file. We want this file, and then we can do reader onload, which will run whenever we finally get the image. Const and this comes in as a data base 64 image. Yeah, so it's gonna come like this. This is exactly what we're gonna be looking for. So we're gonna save it like this and we're gonna use it like this. All right, so const base 64. That's not what I wanted. Okay, so I'm gonna say raw data equals target result. Okay, and trying to think how we can. I think we should have here like a function called add to slide, and we also need to know what is the current slide. So we do let current slide equals 0. That's the index of the slide. And I also need const, I think we're going to call it canvas, even though it's not actually a canvas. What should I call it? I don't want to call it a mask screen. I'm gonna call it slide, just slide. And we'll do what was the selector for this? Slide. Perfect. Okay. Slide. Okay. So we're gonna do, whenever you click add to slide, we want to add it both to this, to the thumbnail, and to the actual slide. Are we saving the thumbnails anywhere? No. I think we should. Let slides equals, it's going to be an empty array. I think on the initialize we add it in there. So we're going to do add the event listener, and then we do slides.push slide. This adds it to this list. And then on add to slide, we're gonna find the current one and add it in there and to the slide itself. So let's do what is this? Slide. No. So new image equals create element image. That's how the tag is. And then we'll do how do we add it? I need to pass it over there. So raw data. Okay. So I'll say we get the image source from here. So we do new image dot source equals image source, and then we do slide.append new image. I think that's it. Maybe let's just make sure new image, class list, add image. This is just a class I have that sets the width and height to 100%. So I think this is just the bare bones of what we need. So we just upload and we add the image in here. Let me refresh and check if anything is wrong. Okay, click, choose an image, I open. Read as data URL is not a function. Okay. Maybe this needs to be after. No. Okay. Then let me log this reader and see how it works. It does have an onload. Let's try here. Hi, Kaif. Hi from India. Hi from Cyprus. Thank you for coming all the way from India. I'm guessing it's a bit late for you now. Or is it morning? It is a bit late for me. So it's morning for you. Thank you for coming. Let's try uploading again. Nothing. What am I doing wrong here? Let's do... It's 11:40 p.m. Wow. But thanks for taking the time to review at this time. We're trying to do the logic for uploading an image here. Results. Read as... Okay. So if we do read as array buffer or as binary string. As data URL. Oh, that's what I try to do. Oh, I had to capitalize these two. Okay. Let me try this again. So we publish, and this is not a function again. I'm not sure if this matters. Let me try this. Again, why? I just saw this here. So I have this reader dot... Do I have another typo? Oh, I had a typo. Of course I did. All right, let's clear. Let's do this. There we go. There we go. Finally. Okay, so we have an image here now. Great. So we appended there, and I want to also append it to the active thumbnail. So we're gonna do slides, and you can use the square brackets, and we'll do current slide, and we'll do dots append new image. Let me refresh really quick. Let's try that again. Whoa, okay, this was not supposed to happen. So what happened here is I don't think we have set any width on this. So it's growing, it's trying to grow with the image, and the image is pretty big. Let's see what we have for width. We have a minimum width, we don't have a maximum width. Yeah, it can grow quite a bit. What do we do for width here? I feel like I want to do something like 20%. This might be too big. Too small. 25, and then have a max width of like 300. I want to say that works. Okay, so let's say I add a new one. This should be the active one though now. This should be the current. I guess using 0 doesn't really make sense here. Should be using an ID. Whatever, let me just make sure we can upload and everything now. Let's upload an image. Why did it only add here now? What about here? Oh, wait. I'm appending the same image first here, and then I'm removing it from here and adding it here. I also realized this needs to be overflow hidden. Cool. So let's see. So we are appending it to the slide and then appending it here. Instead of appending it right away, we should make a clone of it. So we can do, is it dot clone? Just like that. And then true. We don't need true. I think that's how it works. Let's see, refresh. Something happened there. That's not supposed to happen. Wait, where did all the width go? We had a minimum width and everything. Did I accidentally delete them somehow? That was a bit weird. I don't remember touching these again. Did you see that? I'm gonna go back in the recording and see if I was the one who did it. That seemed out of nowhere. Okay. Let's try uploading again. Clone is not a function. What was it called? Clone element. Oh, clone node. Right. Okay. And we finally get it to work. Nice. Okay, this still doesn't work. Why is the overflow not working? Also, we have some padding that we need to get rid of. Get rid of the padding. Are the styles getting reset or what? Okay, wait, this is active. It should be on the base one. Let me reset these. Okay, overflow hidden, 0. This still has the widths. Finally, okay. We have the thumbnail, we have the actual thing. We can create new ones. We can't switch between them yet, but we'll get there. Yeah, cool. So now I want to save this to local storage. And when I refresh, I want to load them again so that we don't lose our progress. Initialize slide is over here. So I might give the slide an ID like data slide dot dataset ID equals. I'm just gonna use a timestamp. Yeah, I think timestamp works fine. Let me just try the timestamp and see what it looks like. It's not even there. Oh, why is it not there? Set attribute ID. No, I want to do data ID. Let's do this. What is happening? It has to do with the dates. New date. New dates. Okay. Dot. The time string. No. I want to be just a timestamp. Is it this? Kind of. Let's try that. It's probably not the best way to make IDs, but I just want something simple. I still don't see an ID. I think we can use something like Yeah, we'll use that. What is happening here? Why is this not working? Set attribute data ID. What am I doing wrong here? Yeah, this is just not running. Saved. Refresh. Oh, this happens when you click. My bad. That explains a lot. So I can go back to the simpler way, which is dataset .id equals this. Okay, finally, we have an ID. Guess we're gonna make an object just to see how we're gonna store these slides. Information slides. It's gonna be so it's gonna have, I guess, ID. We'll create a random ID at first. Data empty. What else do we need? I think for now this, we can add to it as we go. I had so many calls today and my brain is fried. Okay, so we initialize slide, we give this. We push. What is push? Okay. I should not be saving it, the whole thing as it is, so I should save const ID equals this. This is ID. Then we'll do ID is ID. And data is Are we running this somewhere? New slide. I guess data is empty by default. And then in here, add the slide. whenever we initialize a slide, we can also do current slide equals ID. So we'll have the ID of the current slide. And then when we click the slide, we also want to set the current slide equals ID. And then on upload, we add the slide, we add the image, new image to whatever the current slide is, but not like this time. Is it? No. This time we do find ID equals current slide. Okay. So now we look through the slides to find the slide that has this ID. We give it this. Let's say const current equals, we'll do this. So we're gonna need it more than once. Yeah, current, and then okay, so this is an element, this is a slide element. Slides. No, wait, this isn't an element. We're not saving the elements anywhere, are we? And we shouldn't be. Okay, what I'll do here then, document, let's query selector. Data ID equals current slide. Let's save this here. This is an attribute. Oh yeah. Oh, what have I done? Okay, we'll do current, wait, we'll do current dot data equals image source. All right, I think I finally did it. Okay, let's see what we have. Let me refresh this. Can we access them from here? Slides? Yeah, we can. Let's see. No data in it. Okay. Oh yeah, because I didn't upload. Okay, we upload this. Then we look at slides again. 0. There you go. 52 kilobytes. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. All right. So this add slide image to canvas, thumbnail, and data. This is the upload image button. Create new slide. Okay. So I want to have a function that we will reuse a few times, which will be called save, where we will be saving our progress as we go. So the idea is that we save slides into the local storage. So we can do local storage, set item. We'll call it slides. And then we can't really just do this. We cannot just save it as an object. What we need to do is turn it into a string, because local storage items can only be strings. So we can use json.stringify for that. So this will turn it into just a regular text. So you can see here, like if we do json.stringify slides, it gives us a text of what that thing looks like, what the object looks like. I'm gonna do function load, where it will be local storage dot get item slides. Let's make sure it's slides. And to turn it back from a string into an object, we'll do json.parse slides. We'll do slides equals this. And this way we have these. So we're gonna start by doing, yes, this could be bad. Let's do saved slides. If we don't have saved slides, we don't do anything. Otherwise, we do slides equals saved slides. Yeah. We also need to add them, I guess. So we can do slides dots for each slide. Initialize slide. I think this should work. As an event listener pushes it. Wait, where do we add the slide? Here. I guess I need to do this. I guess this should be inside the initialize. No, it shouldn't be. Okay, we'll just do here. We'll prepend it. Although I think here we should be appending. No, we should always prepend because we have the plus button, right? Okay. Let me refresh and see what we got. No, wait, I didn't save or load. I didn't run those. So before we initialize the first one, let's see. Yes, before we do this, we should try loading. If there are no slides, instead of returning, we'll just initialize the first slide. Otherwise, we do all of this. We create the slides out of what we found. I think that's fair. And then when we upload an image and we add the slide, we should do save. All right, that was a lot. I hope we're done for today. Let's see. We have an error. Unexpected end of JSON inputs. Really? Let me check. Oh, what am I doing, dude? Wait. Okay, this was completely wrong. Wait. JSON.parse, whatever this returns. What am I doing? Okay. So of course there's nothing at first because we just did this. Now if I try to upload, okay. There you go, it's saved. So now I refresh and we have an error. Add initials. Cannot set properties undefined, setting ID. Where exactly? Slides for each. Oh, I guess we're trying to give them a new ID. No, it should not be here. Wait, if dot as attribute. No. I'm a bit confused about what I'm doing here. Wait. Slides dot for each slide. Oh, we basically need to do what we did over here. And then we initialize a new slide, but we also give it the slide information. Let's do data. It could be confusing. Slide data. But this should be optional, so by default it's empty. Or by default is null, actually. There's no slide data. Okay, so if the slide data exists or doesn't exist, we create this. Yeah, because we don't need all of, although we do need this. No, wait, keep this. Else we do slide dot dataset dot id equals slide data dot id. Because in this case we would have them from local data, new slide. Yeah. And we also do this. Slide data dot data. Something went wrong here. Okay. We don't need to do anything there. Is that it? I think I confused myself at this point, and I'm too tired to think too hard here. Well, what did I write here? Another error. Cannot read properties of null. Burn element. Add to slide. Okay, first we need to add it to the sidebar, which is done here in load. So I should be doing this first, I guess. Oh, okay. Almost there. Something is wrong with this. Wait, if we do have data, otherwise we'll do sidebar dot first child remove. Okay, now we just need to figure out why this thumbnail isn't working. Oh, wait. Okay, initialize slide. Then comes here with the data of the slide, which looks like this. comes here, we set the ID, and then we run add to slide using slide data.data, which is just this, the URL, the source application. Data, yeah. So we are running this, which does current equals slides.find. At this point, slides already exists, right? Well, this is getting way out of hand, way faster than I expected, and with this small editor, it's not easy. I think I might have to move this to VS Code. Initialize slide. Add to slide. Oh, I think we don't have the current slide being set yet. Okay. Okay, so in load, if we do have slides, we'll do current slide equals slides 0.id, right? Because we need to have some kind of current slide. Let's try this again. There we go. Previous. There's no previous. Here. If previous, then do that. What? Oh yeah, where does this ID come from? What is this? Oh, that. Oh, it'll always be slide.dataset. They should be set on both new ones and old ones by now. Okay, no error here. We can create new ones, we can select between them. Doesn't actually do anything. But I think I should be able to upload a second one. Nice. If I refresh. Okay. The second one wasn't saved for whatever reason. But we can work that out. Next. Oh, wait, we uploaded them both here. That is not what I meant to do. Oh no. Now all of them are 3. What did we save here? Okay, we saved 2 slides, but for some reason they're being added both here and both here. Okay, this is one image. This seems to start the same way. Alright, I think I'm just gonna call it here. I had a lot of calls and I'm already tired, so not sure how much further I can take this. I think I'll just clean this local data for now. Upload one image. Cool. Refresh. Alright. Good enough. yeah, maybe I'll prepare a bit for next time. And yeah, if you're still here, thank you. Thank you for being here. These streams are, I guess, for most people who are into Webflow, not very interesting. But I do enjoy building this. And if you're here enjoying it with me, thank you for being here. That's it. Good night from me, and have a good weekend.